Those who didn't got any allotment, don't worry. So you are allowed to participate in phase 2 counseling. Many students raised an issue regarding the notes. Unacademy have heard their feedback, and now they are providing the limited edition offer for IIT JEE aspirants, in which they should subscribe for Unacademy Iconic, that is 12 months or 24 months, between 21st June to 30th June. The deadline is 30th June, still another 5 days. And if you register for that particular Iconic subscription, you will be getting an branded Unacademy new notes for IIT JEE preparation. They will deliver you the books directly to your doorstep, and the delivery date, everything will be given to you once you subscribe on Unacademy Iconic. So if you are really interested in subscribing to Unacademy, use the links in the description, and don't forget to use my code CharanYT, for which you will be getting 10% instant discount. Now we already know Unacademy is conducting this particular combat scholarship test, in which everyone can win 4 crore worth scholarships every week, every Sunday at 11 am. And if you are really interested in this particular test, you can use my code CharanYT and use the link in the description and register now for free. And on the left you can see from rank 1 to 150, these are the gifts like subscriptions, scholarships, everything. And those who didn't get any scholarship, and those who attempt this particular test and qualified Unacademy scholarship test, their names will be shortlisted for this particular lucky draw, in which scholarship, those who are getting, those 150 students who are getting scholarships are not eligible, and those who are already having a subscription on Unacademy is also not eligible. So those who are new to Unacademy, those who don't have any subscriptions, those who don't got any scholarships in this particular test, every week they will take a lucky draw of those candidates, and those who win in that particular lucky draw, they will get these kind of gifts from Unacademy, that is iPad, Apple iPad, Amazon vouchers, Fitbit Inspire, and JBL speakers, and many more. Terms and conditions apply. So if you are really interested in this particular test and test your luck, so write the test and test your luck. So use the link in the description for Unacademy Combat, and don't forget to use my code CharanYT, CHARNYT. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Saicharam Malayala. I know I'm making this particular video a little late, but I wanted to give you all the info related to those who are participated, like rank 1 to 20,000. Those who all are participated in phase 1 counseling of VIT. So some people got allotment, some people didn't got allotment. So based on our approximation, the cutoffs are really changed like a hell. So the reason, maybe what I'm thinking the reason is, so previously VIT counseling happened so little late when compared to other universities, and this time, so first SRM has completed their seat allotment process, and then VIT. So every student, those who are attended for this particular exam, has attended to this particular counseling. So that is the reason many did not got allotment. So the competition means, we can say indirectly, so those who got very good percentile in JEE Mains, previously they used to directly focus on JEE Mains only. But now the JEE Mains is little late, so just they tried their luck. So they paid 5,900 and participated in VIT counseling. That may be the reason for the major difference in the cutoffs. Now one thing I wanted to say you guys is, all of you those who are participated in phase 1 counseling, that is between 1 to 20,000 ranks, please, I request, please fill the Google form in the description. That will really help the many students from other phases, and also next year I can use that particular data. And in that, I am not asking any of your details, so just asking what category you allotted, what campus you allotted, what branch you allotted, what is your rank. So please give the accurate data, so that it will be really helpful for many people for next year and upcoming phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 people also. So please take your time, just a minute or 2 minutes work. So please fill that data. I hope you all do that for me, and I will also show you how to do that. 1 second. So after opening the link in the description, like enter your rank, let me take 7654. So campus allotted here, Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal and Amaravati. So even if you allotted seat or not, please do fill this form. I gave Vellore. So category allotted, category 1. So branch allotted. So here, if you didn't got allotment, I have kept an option called no allotment. Please keep that, so that I will get an idea. Then each and every branch, almost 38 to 40 branches available in each and every campus is there in detail. Please go through this and select the correct one. So I am selecting CSE. So then submit. So that data I will be getting, and if you see, I am not collecting any of your data, even your mail also I will not get any mail from your side, and even your name or application number I don't get anything. Just your rank, campus, branch and category which allotted, so that will be useful for future. So if you are not from phase 1 and if you are watching this video, please share with your friends who participated in phase 1, so that ask them to please fill this form. It takes at least 1 or 2 minutes. Today is 25th, and that means allotment is already came yesterday, that is on 24th seat allotment is done, and from 24th to 29th advance payment for phase 1 candidates. So that means advance or balance fee based on the category allotted they should pay, and the last date for balance fee payment for them is 13 July. And let me show you how much is the fee for them. So if you see, this is category 1 fees. So if you allotted CSE related, EC related and mechanical and those branches, so 1,98,000 is the advance fee. That is also total balance fee. Balance fee will not be zero, it will be zero. And if you are allotted in group A branches, so this is the fee. Advance fee is 1,50,000 and balance fee is 26,000. So you have to pay this. So it's your wish if you want to pay the total amount also. 1,76,000 also you can pay. His rank is 14,727. So if you see, he belongs to group B, right? So his fees is category 1 1,95,000 plus 3,000, that is 1,98,000. So he can pay total 1,98,000. Now, so how you have to pay? Just see on the options here, fee details, choice filling, registered choices, seat allotment. So seat allotment, go there. So if you see, this is how congratulations, you have provisionally admitted to BTech CSE at VIT AP under category 1. So no changes of campus or program will be entertained. So if you have to, for paying the fee, just click here. So after clicking here, so you can see application number. It is asking for application number. You have to fill your application number and date of birth. Then after sign in, you can pay the fee. So this is how you can pay the balance fee. So you will be getting all the other options like internet banking, debit card. So use whichever thing which is comfortable for you and pay the. So he got category 1. Okay, he got 1,98,000. Nothing, balance fee amount is nothing there. So his advance is 1,98,000. That is total. So those who are allotted in category 2, total fees is 3,07,000, and advance fee he had to pay 2 lakhs before. So before 29th he has to pay 2 lakhs, and before 13th he has to pay remaining 1,07,000. Okay, so that is how the process is. And so this is about the phase 1 VIT allotment. So those who didn't got any allotment, don't worry. So you are allowed to participate in phase 2 counseling. So in that way, like if those who are leaving the seats here in phase 1, so those filled by you, because you are having better rank when compared to phase 2 students. So hope for the best. So that's all for this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.